I'm Steve Lewin, CEO of Youth in Search Foundation. We support young people to address childhood trauma through peer-to-peer support. Youth in Search is just about to finish its 3-year strategy on building lived experience peer workforce and demonstrating it to government. We are now about to enter into our 5-year strategy. We've just spent 2 days with Trudy from TalentCode with our leadership team. First day we were looking at being a high performance team and what that looks like for us, understanding each other and our operating styles. The second day was really about looking at our opportunities, the makings of our strategic plan. I felt the 2 days it really brought our team together, understanding each other's styles. We feel really connected, and the second day really enabled us to know where we're heading and have a real clear direction over the next period while we develop our strategy.